Hey Internet, can you be a software engineer if you're colorblind? Yes. So, as you can see on the left and on the right, it's the same code. So, on the left, it is written in Notepad, or copy and pasted in this case. On the right, it is in IDE, so Integrated Developer Environment. So, this is Visual Studio. In either case, the code is the same. So if you're colorblind, you just need to know how to code. What if you don't know how to code? There are large language models like ChatGPT or Copilot or any other free LLMs. So not knowing how to code is not an excuse. You can learn from them, and if you're really desperate, you could just ask it to code for you. So the answer is yes, you can be a software engineer. If you're colorblind, yes. Can you be a software engineer? If you don't know how to code, you should. I mean, it's one major aspect of software engineering, but it's not an end-all be-all. But it's not an excuse to not try to be a software engineer. Okay, we can go over some reasons why we have color coordination or syntax highlighting. So it improves readability. So if you're watching this, you're probably colorblind, so that's a moot point. Helps with debugging. Again, that's mute as well. I would say, since you're colorblind, I would recommend you just read the error code. I mean, that works for me. I'm not colorblind, but I don't use the colors to debug my code. I look at the error message and then we search it on Google or use your LLMs, ChatGPT or Copilot. Paste the error code and then they spit out an answer and you work from there. Enhances learning. I disagree. I don't use colors to memorize or learn. I just know the function or the syntax and I work my way from there. So as a software engineering student, I learn differently from what this I guess article suggests. So I disagree on that point as well. Aids in memory, I suppose, although it would just be more straightforward if you just learn the syntax of the code rather than the color of the code. It's up to you. It kind of just skips a step if you choose to learn the syntax rather than learning the code and the color. Okay, and I know color blindness varies in different degrees. There are different types of color blindness. One's shades of color blindness. One is like monotone black and white or grayscale. So I do understand that. There's like the Christmas color blindness. You get your red and green mix up. And then there's different shades of color blindness. So like you can see a certain wavelength of like orange. But then as it gets lighter, you can't differentiate yellow and orange. So I get that too. Sets the mood. Since you're colorblind, it doesn't matter. Honestly, looking at code, no matter the color, just makes me sad. Just because my code never works the first time. It always has bugs in the code. So, doesn't matter what color the code is. Generally, it's negative emotions looking at code. When I look at code, it doesn't make me happy, because I know there's going to be problems. Alright, so to summarize, yes, you can become a software engineer if you're colorblind. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below. If you're colorblind and want to be a software engineer, yes, you can. Alright, go do it. No excuses. Until next time, see ya.